Hello everyone, my name is MayuriPatel. I present week 1 DQ. Share my screen. Week 1 presentation, Foundation of Accounting for Business Professions. Understanding accounting in business and business transaction. Accounting in business provide insight into how accounting serves as a language of business, enable businesses to track financial performance, manage resources effectively, and make informed strategic decisions. Highlights the role of accounting in summarizing, analyzing, and interpretation financial data for stakeholders such as investors, creditors, and management. Accounting for business transaction focuses on the systematic recording of financial transactions that occur within a business, emphasizes the importance of accurately record transactions to provide a clear financial picture and to comply with accounting standards and regulations. Illustrations how transactions are initially recorded in journals and then summarized into financial statements such as the income statement and balance sheets. In every business, in any kind of uh, company, have accounting is main part of the company. They shows company profit, company loss, how much income, how much expenses, all sales entry, all costing, all profit, all loss, everything shows in accounting entries. Revenue recognition. Cookstand and Tune Auto Repairs Company sell product and record revenue when the goods are delivered, not necessarily when the cash is received. This approach aligns with the accurate based on accounting. In this entry, company delivered goods to a customer in January. The total sales revenue for these goods in $10,000. Accounting treatment on the date of delivery. Accounting receivable like assets increased by $10,000 as present customers owes. Sales revenue increased by $10,000, representing the revenue earned from delivering the goods. Impact, even though the customer might pay in February, the revenue is recognized in January when the goods were delivered. This matter accurately reflect the company's financial performance during the period in occurred. The trial balance. Trial balance is the snapshot of all ledger accounts and their respective balances at a specific point in time, usually at the end of the accounting period, such as month, quarter, half yearly, yearly. The purpose of the trial balance, the primary purpose of the trial balance is to verify the mathematical accuracy of the record transaction in general ledger and ensure that the total of all debits balance equal to the total of all credit balances, which indicate that accounting equation assets is equal to liability plus equity is in balance. Visual representation includes a simple visual diagram shows ledger accounts listed cash, account receivable, inventory, account payables, etc. Column for debit balances and credit balances. Total debits is equal to total credits. Next slide for the example of trial balance. Debit balance and credit balance. Its cash is 0, account receivable is $10,000, inventory is 0, account payable is 0, and sales revenue is $10,000. So debit balance is equal to credit balance is equal to $10,000. The account receivable account shows a debit balance of $10,000, reflecting the revenue earned by not yet received in cash. Necessary sales revenue account shows its credit balance, representing the revenue recognized from the sales. The trial balance confirmed that the total debits $10,000 equal to the total credit $10,000, indicate the recording of this transaction in accurate. Balance sheet. Prepare the balance sheet. Balance sheet is a financial statement that summarizes a company's assets, liability, and equity at a specific point in time. It is directly from the ending balances of accounts listed in the trial balance. Assets is equal to liabilities plus equity Assets represent what the company owes or controls. Liability represent what the company owes to external parties. Equity represents residential interest in the assets of the entity after deducting liabilities. Visual representation includes a simple equation: assets is equal to liabilities plus equity. Example of the balance sheet preparation: balance sheets of the Cook Strategy. Assets is request $20,000, account receivable $10,000, inventory is zero, so total assets is $30,000. Liabilities: account payable is zero, total liability is zero, but equity is to earning, retained earning is $30,000, so total equity is $30,000. So total liability and equity is $30,000. In conclusion, a foundation or understanding of key accounting principles essential for business profession. We explore how accounting serves as a language of business, enabling organization track financial performance and make informed decisions. We discussed a systematic record of business transaction, emphasis to importance of accuracy in financial reporting. The trial balance was introduced as the tools to verify the accuracy of a records transaction before preparing financial statement, and we demonstrate how it directly fits into the preparation of the balance sheet. A critical snapshot of company financial health at a specific point in time. By applying this concept to practical example, we aim to empower you with the knowledge of interpreting financial information confidently and contribute meaningfully to your organization's success. In any company, trial balance is the main part of this. How much sales by managers, entry to entry is matched by the accounting bookkeepers. Sometimes managers going fraud and part sales in directly to the customers and sales in cash, that transaction deleted. So this is the main part of the trial balance. It shows all types of purchase entry and sales entries, and depend on the bookkeeper who is record all transactions and maintain a product profit, and they shows how much profit and how much loss. They decide on the weekly expenses. And in liability, like they give a suppliers payments. Sometimes we return a product, damage a product, though. So bookkeeper is maintain all type of entries in trial balance, and make a general ledger to all debit entries and credit entries are equals, and this is carry forward in balance sheet. So it shows overall companies detailing financial activity in trial balance and businesses. So this is my week 1 presentation. These are references, accounting and business research. Thank you so much.